I'm doing all my work on a wall I used to ignore, not a corner, not a desk nook, just dead space. Between two doorways, nothing ever fit there until this. I used to work from my bed. Yeah, laptop blankets, terrible posture, no focus. I couldn't get anything done. My room looked like chaos, and my brain felt worse. I needed a desk, but I live in a small room. No room to spare, no budget for one of those aesthetic TikTok setups. Then I found this ladder desk. It leans on the wall, no screws, no drilling, no floor space lost. I slid it between two doorways, literally a wall I thought had zero purpose, but suddenly that space transformed. Minimal, clean, like it belonged there the whole time. Now I have my own little work zone. It's private, it's out of the way, and it makes me feel like I have it together. I'm more focused, my room looks intentional, and the best part, it cost way less than I expected. It didn't just give me a place to sit, it gave me back my space. If you're staring at your walls thinking, there's no way I can fit a desk in here, don't scroll past this. You don't need a full office, you just need a wall and the right desk.